After Hurricane Melissa made landfall in Jamaica on October 28, 2025, as a record-breaking storm, we were sending our heartfelt support and these relief supplies to you in your time of loss and recovery. We're here with you. Romario, how are you feeling?
Hey, so my team here at Volkswagen has given me the support that I needed to give back to my country, Jamaica, who suffer a major damaging loss in Jamaica. So we are here to support and help in whatever way we can. We donate foods to give back to Jamaica. It's a blessings from Volkswagen to Jamaica. Appreciate it.
Thank you to everyone who stood by us so we could stand with the community in Jamaica. Your kindness brings hope. Your support brings strength. And together, we'll help rebuild, recover, and heal.
Yeah, it's a blessing. Thank you again, Volkswagen, for the sponsor.